to the power x, 5 to the power x plus 2. So find the value of x. How? First we can write that, take the log of both of sides. So log 2 to the power x, and this is the log 5 to the power x plus 2. And so this is here, so x log 2, and there is the x plus 2, this is the log 5, and now this is x log 2, and this we can write the x log 5 into 2 log 5. So x is here, so x log 2 minus x log 5, this is the 2 log 5, and now take the x common, so log 2 and log 5, this is the 2 log 5, and this is x, and this we can write the log 2 by 5, this is the 2 log 5. So we can write this x value, x is divide here, so 2 log 5 divide this log 2 by 5. So this is the x value.